take 2, flying the Lost Coast. Take 2. Fog's breaking.
Full biv.
There you go.
Happening.
It's happening. Yeah, buddy. Lost Coast, here we come. Fog has sort of cleared.
Send it, boys.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Started up. Surfers are coming out. Well, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. Alright, we got Mitch and Adam in the air. Got all my stuff in front of me. Woo! Now we're flying kind of into the sun. So I'll start it up again when we get out to that point out there. We are coming up on the most western point of the continental United States. I don't know why I brought the foot cam except to show how ridiculous this all is with full-on camp gear. But hi, foot cam. Got everybody up there. Maybe you can see it with the foot cam. Just getting up to this point. That might be the farthest point in the western continental states. The lower 48, whatever they call it. And it looks like the fog's retreating. We lost our headwind, so that's good. Well, I'm gonna feel the air out a little bit lower. Who knows if this will actually even ever come out on a GoPro. Oh, look at this! This is awesome! So pretty. Helicopter offshore. There was a Coast Guard helicopter. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Cool little farmhouse. My boys out here. Awesome little pasture. Totally secluded little beach. Friggin' awesome, but we got fog ahead, so we're trying to figure out what to do. I don't think I can land on it. And that's one heck of a mudslide. It's like lava rocks, black sand beaches. Dude out here with his van. And it looks like we're sending it over this fog line. I totally got lost. I thought they were gonna turn around and go land where it wasn't foggy. And they started yelling at me on the radio. Ian, what are you doing? I don't know, flying a paramotor? You're going the wrong way. Oh yeah, oops. So now I gotta catch up to him. Well, I think I caught up to him. Look, there's a donut hole. I like the camp spot that Mitch just flew over. I don't have a copy on anything you're saying, it's too mumbled. Well, I guess we're gonna land up here on the bluff. Well, Mitch is chuckling. Yeah, boys! Woo! Good job.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're out here halfway on flying the entire Lost Coast. And yeah, I got a little lost. Thought they turned around at one point, but we flew over some fog, landed up here.
Good spot. You got it. The truck's parked is my favorite spot too.
Dinner time. It's me taking a picture of Adam taking a picture. Tomorrow we'll find the lighthouse. Those Finocchios up there. I don't know if you can even see them on a GoPro. We're gonna go check the fog. Pretty dope spot that we found. Fog doing, dude?
He's doing the fog dance.
It is not doing what we'd like it to do.
We gotta survive out here. We're fogged in. It's in the Jetboil manual. You can do this. Okay.
Back page under the survival part.
All right. On the search for more wood that's accessible because it's foggy. We made a fire, Mitch.
Things around here might self-combust.
Woo!
I smell hair burning. Is that mine?
No.
I'm not kidding.
And we're still waiting for the fog to clear. 2 o'clock and we're becoming fog experts.
Yep.
Experts.
We know everything about the fog now.
Everything about how the fog works. Well, now we're on a search for water. Dude, let's go this way.
Yeah, is it awesome?
It's fucking awesome.
Let's go awesome.
This is like how all horror movies start. Oh, yeah, it's a bear trail. No, just kidding. We should just walk around it.
Yeah, that way.
How did we miss the water?
We found a road. Come on. No, she's not coming. See blue skies.
Oh, I see blue skies too.
No, I'm sorry.
More whiskey?
Steak.
Oh, steak.
Anything changed?
Yeah. It's getting colder.
It's getting a lot colder.
Yeah.
Water suppliers.
Water
Is that all you
Filters.
got even?
What do you got right there?
I got the 2 water carriers.
What's it? Flat or like a 2 liter?
No, it's a
2.5. 3.
3.
That's small.
3. Found water.
Go good. Go good, Jamie.
Found water. Going in. Somebody hold my ankle. Just kidding. We got water. Back to camp. Leaving the paramotors.
Bonus, we got to camp 2 nights on the Lost Coast.
Woohoo! Who gets to do that with
Yeah.
a paramotor?
Yeah.
I'm nervous too, bud.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
I'll see you at Shelter Cove, man.
Fog. And then no fog. Here we go. No fog. All right. That's done. Get this done. That didn't work out too good. There's Mitch. He's walking the scout machine too. I guess this is what I get for talking about struggle. My humble opinion is people either pursue struggle or they manifest it into their own lives. Well, we're not flying. We're walking. Paramotors. We got cows. Wish I had a flat top right now. I could just sit down on it. How you doing?
Yeah, I mean, I do this for CrossFit anyway, so it's not that big of a deal.
A road. It's not the road. Woo! $100. Now it's raining.
The rotor coming out that way.
I'm in the back of a truck again. We're in the back of a truck with a dog. I found a national monument. California's first drilled oil wells were right here.
Yeah, we came
from
Beach?
Ferndale.
Mattole Beach?
Yeah, Ferndale.
Yeah, we passed Mattole.
So where'd you land? Is that
We
closer?
landed just past Lighthouse.
Look, they look like they're all dried off.